Hi there! My name is Nancy Langmore. I stayed in Girl Scouts for way longer than appropriate, and I'm allergic to virtually everything. Today, we'll be going over the 4 basic steps of bird watching. Remember these simple rules and you'll be a pro birder. Let's get started. Step 1 is to know your area. Birds are all around us, but to make the most of our bird watching sessions, we really got to get to know the community. Remember the old adage, birds are the host and we are just the dinner guest. A great way to know this is to get to know the local flora and fauna. Tastes like success. Once you and the environment have got to know each other a little bit better, it's time to move on to step 2. Listen with an open eye. Now this one may take a while, but it is by far the most invigorating, relaxing, and rewarding part of the process. Once you've secured a location on the bird, it's go time. It's go time. You gotta go though. You gotta go. Like, we got one. We got one. No, go. Will you see that? You get that? Get a tight shot there. Up there. You got that? Hey, up here. Over here. Look there. Look there. Over here. Over here. Look up there. We got one. We got one. You guys see that? We got one. All right. Okay. Relax. Relax. All right. All right. Now it's time for step 4, the most exciting step of all: communication with the bird. All right. Communicating with the flock. This is the most. They're very gentle creatures and they're very skittish, as you know. It's been a long time coming for this point, all leading up to this moment. You can stop, turn it off. Turn it off. I told you I want to be alone right now. I don't want to be on camera right now. Can you please? The birds are gone. The birds are gone and they're not coming back. They're not coming back. They're not coming back. Come back! It's fine. It's fine. It's not a big deal. You know what? It's not okay. I care for you and I stick around and I'm gonna devote all my energy and time. And you just sleep. You just sleep. You're just like Gabe. You're just like Gabe. You know what? That's fine. I don't need you. I don't need you. I need you! Well, thanks for watching, everyone. Remember those 4 simple steps and keep on practicing, and you too can be as great as me. Thanks for watching, and happy birding.